Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with a quick overview of GIS. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, are systems designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present spatial or geographic data. Essentially, GIS helps us understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. Now, let's dive into the specifics of spatial and vector data. Spatial data is any data with a direct or indirect reference to a specific location or geographical area. It's the core of GIS because it tells us where things are. Think of it like this. If you have data without a location, it's just data. For example, a list of tree species in a forest is just ordinary data. Indeed. But add a location, and voila, you've got spatial data. Adding a location involves assigning coordinates like latitude and longitude to your data points. This process transforms ordinary data into spatial data, making it possible to map and analyze it geographically. Now, spatial data can be represented in various ways, but today we're focusing on vector data. They're particularly great because they allow for precise and accurate mapping. Vector data comes in three main types: points, lines, and polygons. Let's break these down. First up, points are the most basic type of vector data. They represent a single location in space, usually marked with coordinates. Think of points like the pins you drop on Google Maps. They can represent things like cities, landmarks, or any specific spot on a map. Next, we have lines are created by connecting two or more points. They represent linear features and can be used to map things like roads, rivers, or trails. Lines are great for showing connections between different locations. Finally, we have polygons are formed by connecting multiple lines to create a closed shape. These are used to represent area features like lakes, forests, or city boundaries. Think of polygons as the outlines that define different spaces. So how does spatial data relate to vector data? Well, vector data is a way to organize and represent spatial data in a structured format. It allows GIS systems to store, analyze, and visualize spatial information effectively. By using points, lines, and polygons, we can map out almost anything in the world with great detail and accuracy. And there you have it. Spatial data is all about the where, and vector data gives us the tools to map it out with points, lines, and polygons. For example, GIS is widely used in urban planning to design and manage cities. It helps planners visualize data on land use, infrastructure, and population distribution to make informed decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more GIS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Keep exploring, GIS enthusiasts.